Evening, fellas. We're live at 6:44, battling for Mark's carded Barada. If we get there. There he is. I got 80 spots, I believe, that I'm going to copy. And send on over to random to generate our winner. Copy. Paste. 80 of them. We got them all, which is neat. That means we can do it. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Which we did. We got a 6. Let's battle. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Wayne, round 1. Brian, 2. Donnie takes round 3. Brian, 4. And 5 does Brian, bringing us the always crucial final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winner is Donnie. And at number 28, congrats, Donnie. As we stroll through the 80. There it is. Verification. PJJZWW. Donnie in at number 28 is the winner. I'm done. That's 6:45. And there it is. There this is. Congrats again, Donnie. See you next time, guys. Thanks.